everybody, it's me Pamela Sage from the Sage Family Adventures, and today is Thursday and we're going to do unboxing of Aldo. So I have 3 bags here, guys. 1, 2 and 3. So what we're going to do today is open the products and let's see what I got. So are you excited for this? Me, I'm so excited that it's been sitting here for almost 1.5 or 2 weeks, and I just got busy, and this is the time that I'm going to do my unboxing. So here it is, guys. Let's start. So I have 1 bag here, guys. There's Aldo. So Aldo is having their semi-annual sale, started last month, and I don't know if they still have a semi-annual sale, but I think they have a not year-end sale, or year-end summer season sales, like 75% off. So if you have Aldo in your store or in your malls, go and check them out. Okay, let's start. So I have a first bag here, and we're going to see what I got. So I got a bag here, guys. So let's put it here. I had a backpack. So the reason why I bought this backpack is when we go vacation, our vacation is coming. So I like this backpack. It caught my attention when I came in there and checked their products. So it's very spacious, guys. You put a lot of stuff in, guys. The inside of that. The backpack is very nice quality, guys. It's very sturdy. See there, Aldo. And then here it is. I like it because you can put something in here. Then it's nice. So it's color blue and white, guys. So that's the first product we opened. And they're originally $55, and I got it for 50% off, so it is 25. Not 25, but I paid like $27.50, guys. Yeah, $27.50. And the next is this one, guys. I got this one. This is a casing. You put your phone here, or it can be a wallet too. So it's a partner of the backpack, guys. So here it is. So it's originally $10, so I got it for 50% off, so it's $4.98. So next is so I really need this because we're going to go camping, and I like it. They have another product there, guys. I was looking for another product. It was nice though, but I don't really need it because they're not really for they're really for like going out to special places or something. This one, I like this fanny pack or fanny bag something, because it's very conventional. This is how it looks like, guys. And the Aldo sign is over here, guys. So you see that? So let's take this off. Here, the side. And you can either dress up or dress down in this fanny pack, guys. So here it is. And what I really like is this one. Product is you can put a lot of stuff compared to the other fanny pack that I like also, but that one is for like socializing. This one you can either dress up or dress down. I like this one, guys, better than the other one. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another one inside. 5 packets. See? The sign is here, Aldo. And so I really need, the reason why we bought in Aldo is I'm looking for a fanny pack because we're going to vacation and I need that. And the next one is a wallet, guys. I need a wallet and it's handy. At the same time, lots of compartments. So I love this one. And so like that. See? And this one, guys. So this is how it looks like. I like the inside because it's color red. Then you can put your paper bills here. And then what I like is you can put also your coins here, guys. See? There you go. So I bought it for $20, guys. They are regular price. So they have color like this, brown, black. They have color black and color red, I think. So I bought this one. I like this one because it's unique. Oh, anyway, guys, the fanny pack, I bought it for $19. No, not 19. It's $22, guys. The other one was 19. This one is $22. After 50% off, guys. Okay. So in that I spent $51.90. But I bought the wallet in different purchase. Now we're down to second bag. And we're gonna open this. So what I got here, guys. So this is another purchase, guys. I have the Aldo purse. So this is it looks like inside. And the strap is here. There's a one, and then there's a packet inside. And then there's a packet here too. See that, guys? And they're originally $50 and I got it for $24.98. So that's the way it is, guys. So next is, this is another purchase, guys. So next is the third bag. I'm going to do the third bag, guys. So this is I bought for the third bag. Aldo first. So it's a sling bag, guys. It's a sling bag. There you go. And inside is like this. So that's it. It's like for like everyday bag, guys, you know, but very nice to have in summer because you can pair it to almost everything. And the next is I get outsole grip for my other shoes or sandal, and I get Aldo sunglasses. The Aldo sunglasses is originally $16, guys, but they have discount of 20% off for the sunglasses because it's summer. They're not 50% off. This one, I bought this for $30. So that's what I bought, guys. And last but not the least, Aldo shoe bags. So what I got here, let's check it out. At Aldo shoe bags, I got a sandal, guys. So here it is. And I bought something in here so I won't be slide when I'm using it or wearing it. So here it is. So I'm size 8.5. And this Aldo. It's really good. Nice style. That's what I bought it. And very sturdy. So that's all for today, guys. But before I go, I'm going to share to you that if you cannot afford to buy expensive purses or shoes, sandal, and other stuff, like here in America, the brand name here are like MK, Coach, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, and other branded names. If you cannot afford that, guys, you go to a different store, and I highly recommend you to buy Aldo instead. You cannot afford to buy expensive or branded products. And that's all my unboxing and review for today, guys, and thank you for watching. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye. See you in our next video. And don't forget to subscribe.